Always have a backup when you have kids. Backup stuff, not backup kids. Or backup kids. Wasn't me. I have an alibi. Actually, I don't need a glass now because you did it for me. Oh no, pat, not big. We're recording, monkey.
Cakes!
Kick-Ass Vegan is gonna make some cheesecake.
Cheesecake!
That doesn't sound right, does it? Vegan cheesecake.
Vegan.
It's a Kick-Ass original. You wanna make some cheesecake?
Yeah!
Okay. This will be my first time attempting this cheesecake with a toddler who's actually awake. So here we go.
Here we go.
We need some melted butter.
Melted butter.
I do a whole stick. It's like 6 tablespoons from what I gathered when I was making this up, but I just do the whole thing because I kind of just
Monkey, do it. Please.
use my eyes to measure instead of my spoons. We have some gluten-free vegan graham crackers. You can use any variation. I have some that's already powdered. Monkey, do it.
Yeah.
Okay, can I open it first?
Yeah.
Got some Caesars stashed here. Dump it in the bowl.
Yeah.
Don't waste any. It's like worth its weight in gold when it's gluten-free and dairy-free. We know how hard it is to find that. Add in the butter.
Mommy!
Yes, monkey.
You're getting mad!
You're mad.
Turn it up, you! Get down!
You just want to make sure that all the graham is
Monkeys!
wet. Now, graham cracker, vegan or not, gluten-free or not, is usually pretty bland. This is my most favorite little secret. It's bourbon vanilla powder. I found it at Whole Foods a while ago and haven't looked back since. You can use vanilla bean, vanilla extract. It really doesn't matter. I just love this stuff. Whoa. Now, I also use a little bit of cinnamon. Keyword little bit. So let's keep this away from the toddler. Wait! Are you going to help me? I mean probably 1/4 of a teaspoon. Unless you have a toddler, then like 12 tablespoons because they don't measure. See how it's all kind of nice and wet? There's a few lumps, but they'll mash into the pan. This is for the crust. You need to wash your hands again? Yeah, I think so. Okay. Okay?
Monkey turn.
Okay, I'm gonna trust you. Be gentle, okay? Be gentle. There you go. Chop, chop.
Turn.
Some gray oil. Okay. I'm never gonna remember it all. Use a little. You can use spray. You can use whatever you want. This is my favorite oil. Just gonna grease the bottom of the pan just a tad so that it doesn't stick when it's served up. All right. Are you stirring that up for me?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's too stinky.
Too sticky?
Yeah.
Well, you don't have to touch it. All right, we're gonna put this in the pan, okay? Yeah? Gonna go the way of the piper and do the pat-pat.
Okay, Papa.
Pat-pat.
Please.
Pat-pat.
The monkeys.
I'm gonna press this down so that, you know, when it's finished and you cut it, it doesn't fall apart. But I found that if I take like a glass and press it too hard, then it actually turns to like basically edible concrete. So I just pat until I feel like it's pretty well in there. What are you doing, Goo Goo Goo?
I got a spoon that looks like a pipe. I got this.
Pat, pat. Now
Now,
we are going to do
do
the cheesecake batter. This is the big secret here.
drink it here.
We have 4
Daddy.
containers of
Mommy.
cream cheese and 1 container of sour cream. We're not going to use that whole thing. Good thing we're not going to use that bowl again. Hmm? Hat?
Yeah.
Ground control to Major Monk?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is the sour cream. I usually
I
do
want to try it again.
maybe a little more than a fourth, maybe a third. Maybe a third of a cup if you're measuring.
Wait.
Shake it, shake it. You want to try it?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Where's that spoon that you were already eating off of? If you anything like your mama, boy, you ain't gonna like sour cream. Actually, I'm gonna use the end because that's the part you didn't put in your mouth. No?
More.
More? You are not mine. Okay, we're not using this for any more cheesecake then. Oh my gosh, you're not mine. He's not mine. He's not mine. I hated sour cream growing up. So about a cup and a fourth of sugar. Here, dump it in.
Dump.
Dump. All right.
Banana butter.
So we're gonna do 4 vegan eggs. This is the neat egg. 1 tablespoon of egg to 2 tablespoons of hot water. I've already pre-boiled the kettle. Stir it up a little. Stir, 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 stir.
Monkeys.
Monkeys.
Yeah.
All right.
Monkey.
Tiny ratatouille. You want to kind of just make sure that it's all mixed in well enough. We're going to let it sit while we do the other ingredients. So we are going to do about a teaspoon of my coveted bourbon vanilla. Gives it a nice base flavor. I use a lot of vanilla in this recipe. In this recipe, there's vanilla bean paste also. A teaspoon of vanilla bean paste. Okay. I'm gonna grate 2 lemons worth of lemon zest into the batter. I learned this when I was making cheesecake back in the good old days before I was vegan. One of the best kept secrets about a good cheesecake batter is lemon zest. That's when I first found out about lemon zest and how good it is in food. You want to be careful when you're zesting a lemon because the white is actually really bitter. You can totally see when you've gotten the zest off of the lemon and when to stop. I tend to stop pretty early just to be sure that I don't get any of the bitterness. Mix some more in there. I had a tablespoon of lemon juice. I feel like the vegan cream cheese isn't as hearty as the cow's milk cream cheese. So really the secret to this is add as much flavor as you can to make up for that. And lemon does a good job of that for me. The lemon and the vanilla give it a real nice base flavor. Now we are going to add in the egg. Now we are going to mix on high. I don't really have a measured time. I just kind of eyeball it. I'll preset the oven to 350 while I'm waiting for that to mix.
There ain't nothing like sunshine and air. feel like you don't have a care. There ain't no one else around but you. So here's exactly what you're gonna do. Take your hands and dig deep into your soul. Let yourself lose control. Turn it up, so get up. Can you feel it all over? No, you'll never know when you get the chance. So put on your favorite song and dance. It's a good day to have a good day. So tighten up your laces and be on your way. It's a good time to have a good time. So feel the beat down in your bones and smile. Oh, take your hands and dig deep into your soul. Let yourself lose control. Turn it up, so get up. Can you feel it all over? No, you'll never know when you get the chance. So put on your favorite song and dance. I wanna see ya. I wanna see ya. I wanna see you dance now. I wanna see ya. I wanna see ya. I wanna see you dance now. Can you feel it all over? Put on your favorite song and
What'd you say?
Really done.
Nearly done?
Yeah.
I'd say probably about there, yeah. Just over 250 right now. I'm gonna stick the gas in for a few minutes just to harden up a little bit before I pour the batter in. By the time it's fully preset, we should be able to pull it out and put the cake batter in. Go. 3:45, Monkey, 3:45. That means we got 5 more to go. Saved by the timer. Still looks crusty.
Done.
A little bit more firm now so that when the batter goes on, it doesn't get all soggy and weird. We are going to bake this for an hour and 10. Cheeky monk. Whoa! Guess what's done, monkey? We finished the cheesecake. Timer went off just a minute ago. Do you want to see it? Yeah. Once it first finishes, it's kind of like ballooned up. That's totally fine. Even non-vegan cheesecakes do that. Mine has kind of settled now because it was done a few minutes ago. Yeah, do you like it too, Pipes? That is what it looks like. Now we are going to put some cherries and some lemon zest and a little pinch of cinnamon on top. Do you want to put some cherries on it?
Yeah.
Cherries and cinnamon. Oh yeah.
We eat cherries.
You want to eat cherries?
Yeah.
Just gonna put it on there. You can wait till it cools to top it. You can top it right now. If you top it right now while it's still warm, I would kind of evenly disperse it like I did, because if you dump it all in one pile, it's gonna sink. Just kind of gently move them around so it looks pretty. You want to do the lemon?
Yeah.
Okay, it's this side.
Yeah.
Just gonna.
Monkey turn.
I don't know how I feel about you having your leg on the counter. I suppose your shoe isn't on the counter, but mommy do some and monkey do some? Yeah. Thank you.
How monkey do it in it?
Monkey do it a minute.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Monkey do it time.
Go on then. I'm gonna pinch the cinnamon. And we're done! We're done! Air 5. Too slow. Just kidding. I should have done this way later. This is like the epitome of my career right here, and I've blown it already in the first week. Just kidding. Hope you enjoyed it. We're gonna enjoy this.